Halloween and the Dark Arts, Episode 3, Wizards, Sorcerers, and Deadly Elixirs. Welcome back to Pete's world of poisonous plants, where myth, medicine, and murder blur together in the shadows. When you think of a wizard, perhaps you picture Merlin in his tower, spellbooks open, cauldron bubbling. But the potions of history were rarely harmless. They were brews of death, dreams, and delirium, crafted with poisonous plants. Take the mandrake. Root shaped like a twisted human body. Legends claimed it screamed when pulled from the ground, killing all who heard it. Yet sorcerers prized it as a powerful charm, a plant of prophecy, love, and illusion. In the Middle Ages, owning a mandrake root could bring both wealth and terror. Some believed it would whisper secrets of the future. Others swore it was the very tool of the devil. Then there was henbane, a plant soaked in superstition. Greek oracles inhaled its fumes to drift into trance. Medieval magicians burned it in their rituals to conjure visions of spirits. And yet a single misstep in dose brought not wisdom but madness, seizures, and death. Foxglove too found its way into the wizard's cabinet. In tiny amounts it steadied the heartbeat. But too much? The pulse falters, the body collapses, and life slips quietly away. A perfect poison disguised as a cure. Even you, the tree of graveyards, played its part. Branches whispered through the churchyard winds, while alchemists steeped its needles in potions. To the living it was said to offer protection. To the unlucky it delivered convulsions, suffocation, and a swift, silent end. And what of the sorcerers themselves? Some were healers, cunning men and women who used herbs to treat the sick. But others blurred the line between remedy and murder. Court alchemists experimented with hellebore, datura, and aconite, plants that could either calm a fever or topple a king. Behind the image of the wise wizard lies a darker truth, not just magic but science, not just potions but poisons. The same deadly plants that killed in large doses could, in the right hands, become medicine. As the great physician Paracelsus once said, "All things are poison and nothing is without poison. Only the dose makes a thing not a poison." So when you picture a wizard stirring his cauldron this Halloween, remember, the smoke rising from that pot may not be magic at all, but the fumes of belladonna, mandrake, or yew. A brew not of spells but of science, and sometimes of death. If you've enjoyed this journey through Halloween and the dark arts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more in Pete's world of poisonous plants, where myth meets toxin, and history is darker than you think.